Hello, this is lesson number 5 and we will understand and find descriptive statistics by using IBM SPSS Statistics. Basically, descriptive statistics used to describe the basic features of data. We can understand in a sensible way. In descriptive statistics, we have distributions, center tendency, and dispersions. All these play an important role in the selection of any analysis. So let's see how we can find descriptive statistics. We have to choose variable, like I want to calculate descriptive for age or for working time, any variable in which I am interested. I can calculate descriptive statistics at a time for multiple variables. For calculating, go to analyze, click on descriptive, again in drop down you have descriptive. This is the path for selecting or running descriptive statistics test. Click on the descriptive button. Now a new window is opened. You have to select variables in which you are interested. Like I want to calculate for the descriptive for age. I will drag and drop into variable box. I can move in with the arrow. So I have multiple options, like I have option button style. So I click on option. So this new window will be opened. You can select or check on, like I check on mean, I check on standard deviation. This is by default. So if you want to calculate range, so if you want to calculate kurtosis and skewness, you can check on them. I click on the continue button. And if you want to save standardized score for your variables, like I want to save standardized score for age, you can also check on the save standardized scores. So I do not want, I click uncheck this. Click on the OK button. So in your output window, you can see we have a table title called Descriptive Statistics, in which we have N, which is the number of observations, and the range is the data range which is telling 28. The minimum age value is 17 and the maximum 45, and the average value of age is 26.07. You can say that we have average respondents 26. So and standard deviation. This is descriptive statistics. So let's check. If we check on the save standardized score button, what's happened? Like again come into descriptive, I check on this save standardized value as variables. So I click on the OK button, and again table, we have a table for descriptive, but the variable is again a new variable saved in our data window. If we go to data, we have a new variable z age. This is a z age, and its mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. If we calculate again, analyze, descriptive, and again descriptive. So now I click on the AZ age also. So options are like mean, and variance. So I uncheck all these, continue, and now I OK. So you can see we have age with 30 and mean is 26, but when the z score is 0 and variance is 1. So this is our standardized age score.